and you'd be like, ooh. I'd be like, ooh, ooh, ooh. All right, so let's get into this.
You know. Damn, it's banging. You know. It's banging. Oh, banging.
You already know what to do. You know what's up. Welcome back to my channel, SnoopyEats 4-Way, back in the house again with another mukbang for you. And doing the classic Canadian simple poutine. The only twist that I did on this right here was this. I just got the caddish, is how you pronounce it, fries, which are super crispy. I love it crispy, and we're gonna get it in. So we got some cheese curds and the gravy. That's it. And then these big old wieners, guys. I'm gonna be dipping this wiener in this cheese right here. So one's got jalapeno and I think white cheese, and then one is cheddar cheese. I don't know which one, it's got mixed up. And yeah, Blue's just been chilling. So you know, I just been on my little fancy. So I just got this apple pear. I love pear anything, soda, juice, fruits, candy, whatever. So we're gonna attempt to open this safely because the last bottle I opened I almost blew my eye out. So be very careful. Just on its own it came out. Just like that. See that? God damn. Hella made me jump. Alright. Let's get the ASMR pull up. You already know what to do. I had to drop the platform lower, you guys, because I have two different wood thingies here. So it was up too high. Pour up my Cristal real quick. Oh. Ooh. It's the only sparkling juice that smells exactly like the fruit. Like exactly like pears. Damn, I should have bought some pears. Salute. All right. Alright, let's get into it. Oh, I already know from jump. I don't need to try the poutine because I already know what it tastes like. So I'm going to just go ahead and put some ketchup on there. And also, my Samyang sauce is definitely going on there, and them sausages. So let's do it like that. Now, I don't think people have put ketchup on their poutine. I think they don't do it because, I don't know, I guess classic poutine doesn't have ketchup on it, but I'm unorthodox. I do whatever I like to do. Alright, so, and my friend over here who's been kind of cool with me lately, I haven't really had no serious tummy issues though. I mean, like, you know, little gripes here and there, but Samyang's been good to me. Alright. So. And put some right here, just in case I need to dip. Dip skis. I do that so I don't get sprayed in the eye, dog. For real. Okay. Alright. Let's try the poutine first. I have never had these fries with the poutine, so we will try it out right here. Have y'all noticed I've been doing a lot of comfort meals? Feeling really comforted right now. Mm. Damn, it's a mega bite. That's a big old piece of cheese. My sister got a new candle. It smells bomb. I am. And in the ancient Hebrew, Ahaya, Ashar Ahaya means I am that I am. Pretty dope, though. Pretty dope. This gravy is by Clubhouse. So if you're a vegetarian or vegan, I think, there's no meat. It's not a beef gravy, so. And my daughter, she's a vegetarian, and this is the second time now she double checked it, and it was approved for her to eat. I've had these links before, and they're good, but this poutine is hitting, so I don't even want to stop eating this. That steak, though, right? I know, I'm telling y'all, look. I really encourage you guys to go out and find you some Wagyu. I looked over here and I was like, yeah, I'm gonna go back over here. Ooh, look at this big cheese curd right here. Oh, I wanted to shout out Evan Lee. And also I wanted to shout out, all capitals, HGX, or this way, HGX. It's a gaming channel. So shout out to Big Hat for introducing me to her channel, because she's hella cool. Her laugh is hella cool, contagious. The whole vibe over there is cool, so I wanted to shout them out. And everybody that's there in the chat. I don't remember everybody by name. Blood Dragon is one. You know what? I'll have to do a proper shout out. But anyway, basically everybody over there in her crew. Shout out to you guys all. Or shout out to all you guys and ladies. Oh yeah, shout out to Shinobi. What up, dog? A cool dude right there, man. I spent some time with him in his live stream too. You could tell genuine people when they don't stream, you can't see them, but they express their love and respect to you as a brother or a sister or whatever, as if you were really there with them. Whereas, you know, trolls, they're the scum of the earth, trolls. So they're just cowards, period. So you know what I mean? But at least this guy, even though he doesn't show himself, he was hella cool. Can you believe, you can hear the crunch on that, right? Try some of the sausage. I don't know what this one is. This might just be the cheddar cheese one, but I don't know. I can't tell. I have to cut the other one to see. But I seen RDR, my boy. Shout out to RDR, man. RD Rizzle. He was dipping some sausage a couple months back in some cheese sauce, boy. What you know, no good. What you know, no. And I know why. Oh, man. I was kind of like, man, I hope my gang and my angels like this presentation this time, because it's nothing fancy, right? But y'all know I go all the way out for you. You know what I do for you? Because I want to give value to this channel, to my channel, to you guys, right? So I legit shower, get ready, put on deodorant, disinfect everything, cook, presentation, and sit down, and everything tastes delicious. So I really do mean it when I say you guys got to try this, you guys got to taste this, or I wish I could share this with you, because sometimes the food most of the times the food I be eating is just so unbelievably delicious. It's hard not to over exaggerate your expressions, you know what I mean? And most of you foodies out there that do videos or mukbangs and stuff, you know what I'm talking about. Because a lot of different people come for different reasons, right? Some come for comfort, to eat with you. Some can't sleep, so it's soothing. It depends. Everybody has their own situation, right? Some people just like to look at you. Some people like the sounds. Some people like the story times. But we do what we do because we love to do it. But once we get feedback like, oh, Snoop, we love when you ate the sausage this way with the sauce. Can you smack louder? Like, okay, cool. That's what you like. That's fine. I can go like this all day. I can go. And no matter how I go, this whole meal right here is banging. The sausage is bomb, dog. Let's see which one this one is. Oh, it's got like a sweetness to it. This might be the same, and this probably, well, hopefully this is a different one. I don't know. Can't tell. Yes, they're all three. Two of them are different than the one. I got these from Walmart. Yeah, this one tastes creamier and smoother. So I think that's the cheddar cheese one. This one. And this one is the jalapeno. I think. I hope. I don't know. I think I'm gonna do sushi on this. Next time I do sushi. I just caught myself what I just said. And only one person on this earth is gonna understand that. If that individual watches this last past minute. I'm probably just gonna pick that sausage up instead of using my fork. I went up my nose. Excuse me. Ooh. Hitting the spot. And I still have a brand new, oh, yeah, it's not Häagen-Dazs, it's Ben and Jerry's, the show, late night show. Oh, that's a good one too. All right, y'all, this is a really, really good idea. He had, how do I say this, dude? Oh, y'all, how do I say this, fool? Pause. I'm gonna pause ahead of time. But he had this massive wiener on his table. Hella pause. He was working that wiener, boy, I tell you. He tore that wiener up. Oh boy. Just wait till my podcast start. Oh, I was gonna put this in the community tab. Excuse me. For names for my podcast. So I came up with one called Conversation or Conversational Piece with SnoopyEats, or hosted by SnoopyEats. Excuse me. What was the other one? Get my notebook. Yeah, so Conversation Piece with SnoopyEats. Late Night Hype, hosted by SnoopyEats. Raw and Uncut by SnoopyEats, or hosted by, or whatever. So Conversation Piece with SnoopyEats. Late Night Hype with SnoopyEats. Or Raw and Uncut SnoopyEats. Either way, it's going to be all those. I got to choose a name. And I love all three of these names. Late Night Hype might get tossed out the window because the podcast can take place any time of the day, right? Conversation Piece would more suit it because conversation means you can be having a conversation about anything at any time. And then Raw and Uncut is how I want to keep it, so oh man, I don't know. That's a tough one, but I need help, y'all. I need some help to try to choose between between the number one and number two. Number one being Conversation Piece with SnoopyEats, or Raw and Uncut with SnoopyEats. That's my issue I'm having, but we have time to work it out. We got time. Well, speaking of time, I gotta get going pretty soon. Getting pretty full now, and I do want to have some ice cream a little bit later. Have some editing and chilling, and I'm gonna start watching The Heist. Speaking of The Heist, I'm playing GTA 5, and I just bought a house. I'm hella new. I just bought a house with a pool. I've got 2 cars, but I need more money, so I'm gonna do some more heists. But man, let me tell you, that game is fun. That game is so much fun. And tell me why. Tell me why must I live my life? Well, I feel like hearing that right now. But tell me why my character on GTA 5 looked dead on like me though. I'm wearing something similar to it, but without the Beatles logo. Man, this was a great meal though, you guys. Hope you enjoyed it. I hope you guys had something good to eat with me too. If you ate this exact same thing and can prove it to me, man, that's dope. I should start doing little prizes for that. And I can already tell that these little leftover sauces right here, I could fry up with some onions, some eggs, some bagels. How you say it? Bagel or bagel? Not that it friggin' matters or nothing, I care. Whew. Alright. You guys holding up okay? It's quarantine. I hope, I know that some, especially some of the ladies out there, stress themselves out. and worry and stuff like that. But, and I know it's easier said than done, but you really, really got to keep your head up, you know? There's nothing you can do by, well, there's stuff you can do, but panicking and letting all that stuff fester up inside you is not good, right? It's going to cause illnesses and stuff like that. Laugh. Watch Martin. Watch some comedy, you know what I'm saying? I was talking to somebody hella cool earlier, or yesterday, and we were saying how you'd be amazed, but when you laugh, it just makes you feel good, and like my whole day is good. Once I'm laughing and watching comedy or just being comedic myself or whatever, I feel great throughout the whole day. Especially if I'm watching a stand-up or something like Chris D'Elia or Mike Epps or whoever your favorite comedian is, and just laugh and just enjoy life, man. Everything's gonna be fine, you know what I'm saying? And even if worst case scenario it wasn't, there's nothing you can do about it to change it, but just to keep your head and focus your thoughts and just, you know, just stay right. That's all you really can do. You know, educate your mind. You know, wine and dine yourself like I am right now. You know what I'm saying? Or learn something. Learn how to cook if you don't know how to cook. Draw. Research some stuff. You know, or just really get into your fitness or something. I don't know. Study martial arts. There's always something to do. You know, and think about it. You're still able to go out and get stuff that you need. Like, what really, unless you like to go fishing and clubbing and, you know, shooting hoops and stuff like that. I don't know. Just enjoy the ride. It's not going to be forever. You know what I'm saying? And just keep your faith, keep your head up, and keep it pushing, and keep it crispy. Until next time, listen, it's your boy SnoopyEats. I'm wishing you all the best. I love you guys, all right? Thank you for rocking with me. And shout out to everybody out there. Thank you for the comments. You guys be safe. Stay good. Stay inside. I love you. Peace.